Hey folks, Robert H here. I'm going to stick with the theme of risk management today. So today I got caught up in a midday trade. Normally I don't trade the midday. Happened to be walking by the station and I saw SPY running up. Everyone was going berserk over some rumors about the US lifting tariffs off China. So I pulled up some Chinese stocks. Everything was running. As you can see, the SPY just boosted up, almost hit 265, which was probably the next level on the daily here. We just went over the 50 moving average like it was nothing, and it seemed really bullish, right? So I waited for a pullback, and unfortunately at around 11:57, so 10 minutes after that news broke out, people, Treasury spokesperson says that they have no idea what this, no recommendations, no idea. And then, the news followed that this is probably rumors, ongoing process, nowhere near completion. Finally, right at the bell here, senior admin official who attended the trade meeting says no discussion of listing tariffs, puzzled by the Wall Street Journal story. So I don't know if that's fake news, rumors, whatever you want to call it, but it got me today. And this kind of relates to risk management, right? So BABA, this was the ticker on that I had pulled up. As you can see, no entry really. Maybe here, maybe I was, I don't know if I was at the station then. So I waited for a pullback, right? I was hoping to get some sort of ABCD type formation, right? As you can see there. And right when I got in here, 257.5. Kind of stalled, went sideways for a bit, and I was like, okay, this is normal. I'll put my stop down here, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, the news came out that, that previous news was a rumor, nothing real about it, and I just stopped out right away, immediately. I didn't use a hard stop this time. I had my finger over the hotkey, and I'm really glad I did, because this candle was instantaneous. It was nearly instantaneous on the SPY. The tick went from it was like a minus 800 or something. It was heavy. It was heavy, and I managed my risk despite how there's no such thing as a sure bet in the markets, right? You can hear all the news in the world. They could say that they found the cure for cancer and world peace and all this stuff at the same time. Everyone's kumbaya, and anything can happen. That's the rule in the markets. Anything can happen. So always have a stop. Always size properly, right? There's no such thing as a sure bet. And do I have that window here? So I accepted I sized properly, and I only lost $93 on this one trade here. I was really hoping to get break high of the day and maybe depending how good the news was, maybe get to 160 or something, right? Who knows? But basically $93. Still ended the day green. A little disappointed in how that went down. It was a dirty move, a little low blow, but it is what it is, and live to trade another day tomorrow. Thanks for watching.